Hello there, my name is Jacqueline and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you one of the DIY projects that I'm doing for my upcoming Secret Garden English tea party. I have this chandelier above my dining room that is perfect for embellishing, and that is just what I'll be sharing with you, how I took it from drab to fab. I used a lot of things I already had at hand, so basically this project didn't cost me a penny. Want to know how I did it? Stay tuned. Okay, so one of my ideas is to create a lot of flowers around this chandelier of mine, and I have an idea to probably connect them to this other idea that I have that I haven't told you about yet. But anyway, one idea at a time. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to start decorating this now with all the flowers that I have. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna try to do is, I've had this wreath for a while. This used to be my spring wreath, but I decided to do a different style, so I took everything off of it. So I have it now. I'm thinking I might be able to put it on the bottom of this, just to give it kind of that other kind of gardeny dimension. And giving a lot of good places also to hang things from. So, okay, so let's try some ribbon. Look at all the ribbon I found in my stash. So I think I'll tie before on the wreath and then try to put it up there. It's kind of hard when you're by yourself, but let's give it a try. Since this is going to be decorative as well as functional, I just want to even out the colors, since I want to put multiple colors. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, now let's put some flowers up there. I don't know if I want to start with this, but this is a nice little this garland that I had. It's very springy. So it's a good start point, I guess. Okay, let's try to see if we can make this kind of a dangly situation happen here. So I definitely want like a lot of drippish. And now, how about some more flowers? Okay, and here is the completed chandelier with all its flowers and hanging vines from the interior. So hopefully when you sit down, you can also see inside all the beautiful forest of flowers. Now the last thing that I want to do for for this chandelier is I wanted to have some kind of dangling little birds and butterflies. So these are some of the birds that I have, and these little butterflies I made a long time ago. It's basically just pleated scrapbook paper with a little pipe cleaner. And I think the best thing to hang them with, it's not fishing line. Fishing line kind of is thick and has a bit of a shine, so when the light hits it, you can see it. But I heard from another YouTuber, and it's so true, white thread is much better. It almost disappears, and it doesn't have that shine, and it's thinner. So I'm gonna go get some thin white thread, and that's how I'm gonna hang him. Also, from the interior over here, I have plenty of places to hang things from. Just a matter of getting it. So basically the idea is that everything's gonna be cascading down onto the centerpiece. Okay, let's see how that goes. So here's the finished chandelier over the tablescape in my dining room. I had a lot of fun creating this project, and I hope my guests will get a kick out of feeling transported to a secret garden, surrounded by flowers, butterflies, and birds. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along, as I'll be sharing the next few DIY projects I'm creating for this tea party. And as always, I'll show you step by step how I did it. My aim is to always inspire you to dare to try something new. And of course, continue to explore and learn. Take care, and I'll see you at the next one.